KZ ZSR is one of the latest model from KZ, and we are well pleased about the sound quality. As for the detailed review, let's get started. The main difference of the KZ ZSR with all the other models from the brand is that the KZ ZSR features the first triple configuration with 2 balanced armatures and 1 dynamic driver on any KZ in-ear monitors. This type of configuration is something that usually belongs to high-end class monitors that cost a hell lot more than the ZSR. Inside the box we find the usual KZ accessories, the standard cable with or without the microphone and 2 extra earbuds in small and large size. Also a quick start guide and a warranty card. About the build quality, the housing essentially have many similarities with the KZ ZST and the KZ ZS3 curved fit design. This design keeps the earphones firmly inside your ear and they won't even budge. Amazing design with a lot of attention to ergonomics. 4 colors are available for the KZ ZSR, but only the green one is with the transparent housing, where you can easily see the inner components, for example the 2 balanced armatures inside the nozzles. As for the sound quality, these earphones don't lack in bass. KZ paid incredible attention to have a clear bass punches. There's a bass vent next to the nozzle. Even the sub-bass rumble is noticeable without any distortion. Most of the times these types of earphones are weak in mids, not this one. Well tuned, amazing performance. Highs are bright and detailed. The previously mentioned 2 armatures do their jobs flawlessly. For an around $27 cost, the KZ ZSR can be a really good deal for basically anyone who is looking for a budget in-ear monitors with amazing sound quality. Hope you like this quick review. If you have any questions, just let me know and we'll try to answer all of them. And if you are not subscribed, please consider it to subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.